Gridfall! To be fair, I'm the one who has been going getting the buckets.
Yeah, we've got a severe case of Dalmatian spots. But we're getting there. At least we can see the white of the van.
As you can see, Andrew just step back. That doesn't kind of work. Okay, your pants up instead. So you can see we've got rid of all the green. So you can see on the strip there and how nice and clean that bit end looks. We've done 90% of the roof. Look how clean the front is. We've got a few little bits we need to do on the front. So she's all nice and clean. We've just put some rust remover on there. And we're going to see if we can either repaint it or, yeah, we're going to have to do something. We've got the stripes, so I'll quickly show you them. So you can see how bright these two are, ish, and then how dull they go. So we've got them to redo. What else have we got to redo? Go on, show them how dirty the top, so you can see by how dirty Andrew is.
Yeah, I don't think Darren would surely be very pleased with this.
It's going to wash out. Lucky enough it's only a bit of muck. So yeah, we had to borrow the ladders off lovely George and Zoe. So yeah, so you can see how nice and clean that bit there is, and then how dirty that is at that end. So we've got that to all clean. We've got these to respray. We've got some cushion covers coming. I know they're already here, aren't they, from Sheen? Yep. What else have we got to do? I'm redoing all the netting, aren't I? All the bug netting.
Bug nets we've got to do.
So we're redoing all those.
Wheel trims.
We've ordered some new wheel trims because we lost when they redid the van. He smashed that one, but then on this side, wherever it is, yeah, at the back, we haven't got one. So we bought some new wheel trims and some new spray paint to do the actual wheels themselves. I just made them all black again. So yeah, we're having a very productive couple of days, aren't we? Which makes a massive change from us being stuck. We've actually got moved. So yeah, so a couple of productive days, getting ready for going on holiday, and we've got a couple of festivals, so we have to make sure that we look half decent for the festivals, don't we? I'm talking away to you.
What were you saying?
That we have trying to make sure the van's looking half decent for the festivals. So yeah, so look how easy it's coming off.
It's difficult to find places to do this kind of jobs, isn't it?
It is for us, and it's difficult because obviously we don't have a ladder, so we have to come and borrow George's every time we want to do stuff on the roof.
Lots of water.
Oh, lots of water, yeah. So we have to make sure we filled up with plenty of water and bought plenty of buckets of water, bottles of water, because obviously we don't have a power wash or anything like that. So it's just a bit of elbow grease and plenty of scrubbing.
And luckily the river's got plenty of water in it.
Okay, I wasn't going to say that because this is where we'll get people mourning. So yeah, so she's starting to look clean. Just them decals, they look so bad.
Can't wait to get to the spray paint.
That's the one bit I'm absolutely dreading, trying to re-spray paint these.
Around the skirts, aren't we, to make it all match, because it's about 7 different greys.
No, well, you keep saying that and I'm deviating. He wants to do so. We've got the grey skirt all around the bottom. It's got a different colour grey at the front. The side, which I'm guessing is the original. Then you can see at the back there's another different colour. So Andrew wants to paint it all, so it's all one colour. I'm a bit dubious on that, but we'll see.
We've decided to try spray painting over the existing decals rather than try and remove them all and put new ones on. And to be fair, the turquoise isn't looking that bad.
So we spent how long? How long do you think that's taken us to tape all that off?
About 2 hours.
So this is the last bit. So we've done the blue. So the blue all our matches. Turquoise, you know what I mean. So now we've got the two thin purple stripes to do. And we've gone from metallic glittery purple.
Violet, I think it is. Metallic violet. Well, either love it or hate it.
Violet, you're turning violet. I did want to look at this, but okay.
This is where we find out whether the masking's good or not.
Oh, don't. So it can't be any worse than that cheap pound shop stuff. Yeah, so a bit worry is, beforehand, they've obviously used stickers. There's joints all the way along on one side, the other side there isn't any joints at all. But we've gone with as much sheeting as we can over the new stuff and on the side of the van. So fingers crossed it doesn't mark the van, otherwise I'm getting rubbing alcohol on it. Which makes me rather nervous to think of rubbing alcohol on the van. Andrew, what concoction are you using now?
Alcohol.
So we're using
99% alcohol.
Rubbing alcohol.
Yeah.
So that's to remove the stickiness from underneath the decals, yes?
Yeah.
So as you can see, that's the residue it leaves. Once we get the blue off, that's what's leaving. But we've managed to do this whole side. We've got a bit there we need to fix, which was underneath the stickers, which has just peeled off. So we just got that fix. But we still have. So we were on Saturday. We still got this whole side to do. And as you can see, the reason we're doing it is because they've all peeled and cracked. So we've got bits missing here, there, and everywhere. And they're all cracking and splitting. So yeah, so the fronts aren't too bad. And then we've got a bit there that needs doing. And the front's looking okay. And then we have the new ones coming up. Well, the new ones are here, aren't they? We just haven't picked them up yet.
Yeah.
So we've got to go and pick them up. And then she can have some shiny new decals all the way down. Yeah. So we'll show you what. So we've bought a few different things, haven't we? We've got a wheel, we've got the Stanley Bird, which is the best thing so far that's worked. We've bought rubbing alcohol, we've bought terps, haven't we, to try and take it off. We've got a wheel coming tomorrow to see how that works. We've got a heat gun. So yeah, so we're going to rate them all, aren't we, and see which one works best once we've tried everything, and see which one's worth value for money if you're trying to remove vintage decals, we're going to call them.
We found through trial and error that this blade is the easiest thing to get these off. The rubber wheel overheats and burns. So this little thing is working a treat.
This is where it should be video.
You ready?
For the wider decals, we've used a heat gun just to soften it all up a little bit, and that seems to work combined with the blade.
I think we're going to have to respray this one or get a new one.
So Stuart's used some Auto Glim. What is it? What flavour is it?
The engine and machine.
Engine and machine. I don't think you're supposed to use it, but it's fetched this up quite nicely. We're going to persevere with this until it's clean.
What worked best for us was a heat gun to remove the decals, a Stanley blade and a utensil to remove all what was left, and then a little bit of rubbing alcohol to remove the residue. If you are planning on doing this yourself, find all the products below linked and stay tuned for the final result. Peace.